So this is my attempt at fitting it up a little bit. You know, you know what I'm talking about. Hey y'all, and welcome to Hot Chocolate Chat. Today I'm drinking a water, and I want to talk about following a hair tutorial. I watched Ingrid Nilsson do a hair tutorial, and I thought, wow, that looks easy. Maybe I could do it. Now, when I say I followed the tutorial, I didn't follow it step by step until it got to the part where she's actually doing her hair. So possibly my not using the exact same products as her factors into this. Perhaps because my hair is long and hers is short. You know where I'm going with this, right? Okay, so I got out, she did it with a flat iron. She was putting waves in her hair, okay? So basically she takes a section of hair, just, a small section, and just say like that much, okay? And with the flat iron, she goes, and it's supposed to make it wavy. And Ingrid, if you're watching this, I know you didn't go, but that's my sound effects. So I did it all, I thought. But to be honest, it looks kind of wavy, but not really so much. See? Here's the other side. And I know the lighting, you probably can't see that well, but it didn't really work. Her hair's shorter. She used more product. But at least it's not super straight. And since it's my first time trying it, perhaps I need to just work on my technique a little bit. So I'm going to try it again because I do like it not straight. If I look at pictures of myself or if I watch a video where my hair is kind of straight, I just think, oh, you need to oomph it up a little bit. So this is my attempt at fitting it up a little bit. You know what I'm talking about. So that's what I want to talk about today. I followed an Ingrid Nilsson hair tutorial. If you want me to do a video on me trying it, let me know. Leave me a comment. If you want to follow me on Snapchat, it's sideofawesome, and on Instagram and YouTube, it's Our Gray House. But just don't follow me in real life, though, because that's creepy. See, my hair is just not it's not straight, but it's not wavy.